What's that there? Back to us. There's another one. So I've come to Warnham with my dad. He's trying to figure out how to use his camera. And up in the top of this tree, before we've even left the car park, is a nuthatch. I've also heard an early singing chiff-chaff over there, so I'm hoping for a good day. Sorted your camera out?
Think so.
Good
I
out.
think we're all set.
So I've been telling my dad about this place for months and months and months because I love it here. He's been excited about it, so we've finally come down, and as we drove in the gates, he said, "Oh, I've been here before."
Senior moments.
Our main goal is to see bramblings.
Yeah, we've got the brambles,
Yeah.
but we need the brambling. Lovely shot there, reed banding.
So we've currently got a whole range of birds dropping in. There's a spread of feeders across this view we've got in front of this hide. It's called the Woodpecker hide, which makes me hopeful for great spotted woodpecker. I have seen great spotted woodpecker here before, but we've got at least sort of 5 or 6 goldfinches coming to and from the feeders to the trees. Lots of great tits, blue tits. A little mini gang of long-tailed tits just came in. Robins. Oh yeah, chaffinches over there. A moorhen, which is interesting. And we just had a little visit from a very colourful pheasant. Male blackbird just over here. You can probably hear lots of goldfinches singing away. There's about 6 or 7 of them at the top of these trees. But as you can see, donk, I can't get any pictures of them. Ideally, I'd like to get pictures of the birds on the branches of the trees rather than on the feeders. It just makes for a nicer shot. So you've got to watch the bird come in on the feeder and then see where it goes to. You think you've got your eye on it, and then you see another bird that catches your eye, and you lose that one, and then you go back to the other one, and that one's gone. So it's always a game. So we've abandoned the hide for now for 2 reasons. One, we'd been in there 45 minutes.
I think it felt more like 2 hours.
It felt like 2 hours because it was freezing, wasn't it?
Yep.
So cold. Such a nice day with the sunshine. Totally misjudged the temperature, but anyway. So come for a stroll because we want to get a walk in as well. So we haven't seen bramblings yet, but there's a really nice selection of birds down there. But this is really nice because as you leave the sort of area with the hides at Warnham, you find yourself in a forest, basically. Really nice area of woodland, but the quest continues. This place has just got so many nice walkways and boardwalks to take you around the reserve. I love that. I love it when somewhere's picturesque as you're walking.
Left front, left now. Just gone back in. Looking for around the back now.
Good spot. We've just seen one of the calling wrens just in front of us in this little pile. There it is. It's just gone in front of this big log. Just gone into another hide, so many hides here, and as we walked into the hide I heard the peep of a kingfisher and then the flash of a kingfisher, and as I got into the hide it had already just flown past the window and it didn't come back, but we did see tufted ducks, saw the little egret, great crested grebe, which is really nice. We've just had a snack in the cafe, a birding snack, and I didn't document it. I had a bag of sweet chilli crisps and a chocolate brownie and a lemonade, and Dad had a, what did you have?
Nice is the apple cake though.
What did you have?
The Eccles cake.
Eccles cake.
Really good.
Didn't document it, so we should probably have to have another snack later.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
It's so like the moisture.
Yeah.
What's the difference? Just lighter here compared to that. I've never seen them lighter, mate.
Really? We're back at the woodpecker hide now. Everyone is here to see if they can see bramblings. And as we haven't seen them yet, it would be silly not to have another go. Bramblings have been here within the time we left. So we left about an hour ago, and about 45 minutes ago, 2 came in. So,
I think they heard we gone.
yeah, they'd heard we'd gone. So we're gonna wait it out. We've had the great spotted woodpecker come down, which is great, and 2 nuthatches. In the tree right in front of us. We got the brambling. Show the camera. Oh, you got the, don't delete it. Now is because they're about to migrate back to Scandinavia, but potentially Russia, basically the cold areas. But they don't like it really, really cold. They don't like it in the snow. So they come here in our winter time to avoid the harsh winters where they are. And then when it starts to get a bit like what it is here, where they're from, they go back again. And that's typically April, basically. So from any time from March, April, bramblings will migrate back to the place they flew from in September, October of the year. So we have them for a few months, but this could be our last sighting of a brambling for a long time now. So this is great. Oh, woodpecker. That's the female woodpecker right in front of us. That's the male and the female. That's the male and the female with the brambling underneath. Unbelievable. I don't know what to do here. We've now got bramblings and woodpeckers right in front of us. That was a brambling on the feeder.
Yeah, on the feeder.
Look at that. Did you get a shot of it on the branch?
Yeah, I did that.
It's two, so we've got two woodpeckers. We've got the male great spot and female great spot. We've got the male brambling sat in the sunshine. Female brambling up here. Female brambling next to the male brambling. And we've got so much video and pictures that we're just watching it now.
I think this must be the best half-hour birding I've had for, well, years maybe.
You're going to say donkey's ears, huh?
Just amazing.
What's that there? Back to us. There's another one. Look at that. Oh, that was amazing. You said that was your best birding session, well, one of your best birding sessions ever.
Well, certainly most concentrated, half an hour, just amazing. The pair of woodpeckers flying in and 3 bramblings, absolutely unbelievable.
I didn't think we were going to see them at one point, and then I thought, well, you don't always see what you come to see. That was a brilliant, brilliant birding session. I love it here. Warnham Nature Reserve, check it out if you haven't. We're going to celebrate now with some, what do you want?
I think a bar of chocolate or something.
Yeah, and then home for some
Suitable
fizz.
celebration snack.
Bonus birding snack. As we approach the car, almost forgot to say, if you enjoyed this as half as much as we did, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and there'll definitely be more birds this time next week. See you later on.